I perhaps would like to share just one little experiment that we did as well. Because sheep were developing skew legs, we decided to have a look at what the effect of the diet is that they were feeding these animals as to why they were getting skew legs. There's a sheep with slightly skew legs, and there's one that can hardly walk from the skew legs that it has. When we analyzed their bones, those that had received animal protein had a low calcium to phosphorus ratio in the bone. So they had a decline in the various bones, the vertebrae, the ribs, and the cannon. In all three of them, the more animal protein one added to the diet. And these days they feed these animals fish meal, carcass meal, bone meal, all of these things. When we compared those that received animal protein versus plant protein, the calcium loss, as you see there again in the sheep, was 3 times as great. Deformity in those that got animal protein was much higher than those that received plant protein, and calcium to phosphorus ratios in the bone were very low when they received animal protein. And generally speaking, this is what we found. If we look at this little graph over here, we found that if we gave them plant protein only at a 12% level, they had very good bone development. If we added 3%, 5%, 8% animal protein, it got worse and worse. But if we added 8% plant protein, it actually improved. So plant protein definitely is the way to have a healthy system.